Well, if you're wondering what this is all about, hold on, I'll tell you in just a minute. So as many of you guys know, we are in the process of becoming foster parents again here in Texas. We did that once before when we were living in Arkansas, and just now getting through the training for our fostering. Just finished the last class for that, but now comes the fun part where we have to prepare the house. One of the rules for the home for foster care is that every bedroom has to have a fire alarm. So today happens to be that day that I get to install all these fun little things. The kids are with Nana and Papa, and Sarah is at a women's Bible study tonight, so I'm taking this time to put these up. I got my GoPro, and so I'm gonna put that thing on my forehead and go put these things up and be one step closer to fostering. Hopefully these go up without a hitch. Got a bunch of these, I think, from Amazon, and so I gotta go put them up. We got 4 bedrooms and then one at the top of the stairs. So here we go. Looks good. Here we go. Let me show you something. We have to put one of these in every room, so we're gonna put one in Clay's room up here on the ceiling. Look, in the hallway, right outside of his bedroom is another one. But that one doesn't count according to the foster care system, so we have to put another one right here. So, just one of those many fun rules to follow. But it'll be worth it so that we can be open to take care of those kids. So I got a chair because I couldn't reach the ceiling. So I'm going to just put this right about here. And a little dot. And a little dot. Oops. And now push some screws. Ow! One thing you'll notice if you watch our vlogs and follow us for very long. Oh, I am not a handyman. Really? That must be what those blue things are for. Oh man. If it wasn't so sad, I would laugh more. See that? I am not good. Oh, there it goes again. So, what I'm showing you is how not to do this. How to do this improperly so that you can tell me how terrible I am and comment below the better way to do this. So I'm gonna go grab those blue things. I don't even know what they're called. I'll show you in a minute. Alright, so this is what I'm talking about. Now, I have no idea what they're called, and I'm not completely an idiot. I am a lot, but not completely. So I have used these before. I just thought maybe I could get away with not having to use them this time. And usually, you can just slide them in. But not today, sir. Not today. Yeah! Pretty good to have a hammer. Hammer. Alright, so. Yeah! Take that! Now. In the eyeballs. You should probably wear safety goggles when doing this. I'm not. There. Okay, so I'm not gonna bore you with doing this all 5 times, but I am gonna show you this first one. You're welcome. And then we'll screw them in. Ah, beautiful. Perfect. There we go. Okay, and now the base is on. Now it's time for the alarm itself, and that's pretty simple. Okay, now here's the alarm itself. I put the battery in, and I tested it without the camera on because I wanted to save you the ear screeching, painful beeping. And it should just slide in here if I do it right. There it is. There we go. And voila! We'll have 1 fire alarm. Now we'll do 4 more. Yeah. And done. Woohoo! We have fire alarms. So obviously I'm not very good with tools. I'm not very handy at all, but we got the fire alarms installed. 1 step closer. We got some other things we need to do to the house to make it pass the checklist for foster care. But hopefully within the next month or so we'll be able to be open and be able to start fostering some children. Hope you enjoyed that, laughing at me for being terrible handyman. But anyway, love you guys. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, like, comment below, you know, give me some encouragement. Tell me I'm not as bad as I think I am. And we'll see you again next time. If you're wondering what's next for the Williams family, please click the subscribe button on the left of the screen.
If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button and leave a comment down below.
If you really like this video, check out some of our other videos and share with your friends. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Bye!